Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia Lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena, and I really appreciate you. Thank you for being my online family. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please press that subscribe button. Please like the video, comment and share. Please leave a comment and press that like button, because when you do that, my video will be recommended to other people, and I'll be able to grow, and we'll be able to grow together. So today I'm very, very excited. I'm excited because we'll be traveling to Kenya. The last time we were in Kenya was in December during Christmas holidays. So my kids have just closed school, and we want to rush to Kenya and see what Kenya has to offer. So we'll be flying. We are waiting for the taxi to arrive. We've packed. My kids are still preparing. So the taxi will come, pick us up, and drop us at the airport, and we'll fly to Kenya. So I've already packed. Here are our suitcases. Here, they are just these two. We've not carried a lot of things because we are going there for a few weeks. It's just a short holiday. So we are very excited to go there. I'm very happy because I'll be showing you our countryside homes in Kenya. We have two, so stay tuned to see. Hi guys, so the taxi is here. I just want to check these suitcases outside. He's here, right here. Open the door. Let me get the other one. My youngest daughter is still sleeping, so I need to go wake her up. Here she is. I woke her up from her sweet, sweet nap. Yeah, because we need to go. Let me help her wear these shoes, and then we go to the car. We are now headed to the airport. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Where are you going to?
Kenya.
What are you going to do there?
Have fun.
Yeah, speak up.
Have fun.
Oh, nice. You heard them. They want to go have fun in Kenya. So come along. We've just arrived at the airport. We want to go check in. The girls are behind me. Baby. Tuko hapa kwa waiting lounge, tunangojea. Yes? Your dear aunt. Say hi. Say hi, guys. tumeboard, tunangojea ku take off. Tumefika Nairobi. Yeah, we are home, home sweet home. We thank God for the safe flights. So guys, we are waiting for my husband. Can you spot Dad? He's coming to pick us. Can you see him? Where? Taxi. Yeah, so we are still waiting for him. He's about to get here. Yeah, we are so excited to be in Kenya. The air is so fresh. It looks like it just rained, which is a good thing. He's calling me. Let me pick the call. Yeah, we've spotted him. He's here. Yeah! He's here. Yeah. You're happy to see Daddy? Yeah. Hi. Hi, let's go.
Sweden has got very many cars and roads.
Yes, see, we are home. We are home. See, the gate is there. Do you remember this place? See our gate. Here we are. Dala. Welcome, Dala.
Ona doggy.
See, dude, Nala, Spud. So guys, we are home. We thank God for the journey mercies. Yeah, home sweet home. I think I'll end my video here. See you on the next one. Bye.